Are you troubling with the problem of constipation? Do you find it difficult to discover a remedy for constipation? Constipation is among the most common medical troubles experienced by individuals of all races, ages, and geographical places. Although there are several reasons that bring about an individual going through this problem, however, the most general ones are a shortage of liquid ingestion or low consumption of a fiber diet. Constipation can be extremely uncomfortable. Nobody would like to have a tough time extracting their bowels. It can be extremely agonizing and discomfited feeling. For people seeking a solution on how to relieve constipation, well, Senna Tea is one such appropriate solution. Before going into video, make sure subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. So let's get started. It is acknowledged that Senna Tea was used by Egyptians to relieve constipation. It is used for average and persistent forms of constipation. It has the capability of keeping the body fresh and tremendously competent at waste exclusion. Senna laxative is an innate herb, however, you will have to be a little more careful while using it, similar to the usage of any laxative product. It can be quite strong and potent, so it should be used under medical supervision. Senna herbal tea is the safest method to make beneficial use of this herb. By enjoying tea regularly, it can control bowel functions so that waste is not stocked up in the body, and thus the uneasiness of constipation in no way has to be tolerated. In one fell swoop, it will calm down and revitalize your body, as well as make you enjoy the warm and soothing character of herbal tea. Senna Tea is also used for weight loss programs because it speeds up the food processing so that a quantity of calories may not stay immersed in the body or stocked up as fat. Despite the various benefits of Senna Tea, it is mainly used as a stool softener. Many people take Senna Tea to keep an unfailing and fit bowel movement program and staying away from the troubles of constipation. For many others, this Senna herbal tea can be a natural fat loss supplement that makes them feel better, as well as meet up their fat loss aim in a small time period. What's more, it is a highly effective strong herbal product that should be used with proper care. If you have interests in using Senna herbal tea, browse through the internet for an entirely natural company that does not make use of insect repellents on the Senna yield. This will make you sure to take delivery of an untainted tea that will be extremely valuable without transmission of chemical insect repellents, which are not too good for your body. Take Senna herbal tea only in a quantity which is necessary for producing the essential bowel movement, as well as stool softness to relieve constipation. It is advisable to start its consumption with a small quantity and then increase the quantity slowly. It is also not recommended to drink Senna tea or tablets if you are suffering from any colon disease like stomach pain or diarrhea, and also in pregnancy. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.